Probably time we replace it.
You'll have a trail of tomatoes or crackers or something coming out the backpack.
It's been a week since we climbed Penny Van, and it took us quite a few days to recover. Our legs were killing us. We've since driven further west in Wales to the coast, and today we're seeing puffins.
Morning.
So we're still in Wales, and today you might be able to tell we're on an island. We're on Skomer Island and we are here to see puffins.
Puffins, we've already seen a few.
Yeah, we're pretty excited.
Cool.
We just happened to be in the area at the right time of year that the puffins would be here, which is pretty lucky, pretty amazing. They're here May, June, July, so go see puffins.
Yeah.
See where you are, or make a trip here because there's
puffins everywhere.
So cute. But we're going to take you along on a little walk around the island. I think we've got about 4 hours here.
Yeah.
So I read a fact that I don't think you've read. How many puffins do you think there are on the island?
Oh, there's a lot here. There's a lot more than I thought there'd be. I'm gonna say like 100,000.
Oh, that's right.
Okay.
10,000. I was going to be like, well, there's 10,000.
Yeah.
I thought you'd be like 500.
10,000 is a lot.
There are 10,000 puffins, which I think is quite a lot.
The puffins spend most of the year at sea, and they come back to Skomer Island in around April and stay till about July. When they come back, they look for a partner or reconnect with an old partner.
Looks like we just missed the bluebells. Just a few weeks. Look at what they've done to the soil. It's all like really small bumps, like rolling hills kind of thing.
It's where the puffins put the eggs.
Oh. You're not allowed to walk on this because this is where the puffins live, and so if you stand on it you might crush their nests. So we've got to stick to the paths.
Over the summer, while the puffins are on the island, they hatch their chicks. The chicks then leave in late July and stay at sea for 2 years before coming back to the island to start the process of looking for a mate.
It's like getting quite something small. Probably time we replace it.
You'll have a trail of tomatoes or crackers or something coming out the backpack.
I don't want to waste any money or like destroy the environment by throwing stuff out. So we just carry the snacks and stuff in here, so if we lose it's not that bad. But yeah, we should probably replace it.
Yeah. Look at the beautiful purple flowers.
Oh,
Pretty cool, eh?
I was like looking right there going, they're kind of small. Cheese and crackers.
There's no food or anything on the island. There is a toilet on the island.
And apparently there's somewhere to buy bottled water, but we have not seen that. So bring your own water and your own snacks. You're only here, you can only be here for 5 hours. It's 5 hours between the boat you take and the boat you go back on.
Yeah.
And it ends up only being 4 hours by the time you like get off the boat and got to be back to the boat early.
Yeah.
So it's not long, but it's a big walk, so you probably will want something to eat. it's worth noting there's no rubbish bins on the island, so make sure you've got room in your backpack to take any rubbish back with you, especially if you're having a picnic. There's going to be nowhere to leave it here, so take it with you, don't litter.
For food, they collect fish from the sea and then carry it back to their nests to feed it to their young.
This is the main puffin spotting site, I think. There's so many puffins up here, and you get so close as well. I'm only like a meter away from this little guy. So cute, he doesn't mind at all though. A bunny rabbit too. He lives in the hole as well.
The rabbits perform an important service of digging the burrows that the puffins and Manx sharewaters then nest in. They also do a good job at keeping the grass nice and short, which the puffins love. Bigger grazing animals, like sheep, wouldn't work on Skomer Island, as it'd crush the burrows underfoot. The best time to see the puffins is mid-June to mid-July, although we were here early June and saw plenty. Make sure you look up how to get tickets because it's a bit complicated.
And we've made it to the farmhouse. We've made it to the farmhouse. Yeah.
So we just had a nice sit down in the sun back at the farm.
Bit tired in the legs, but
Are you?
yeah.
I'm okay. I'm just tired because we got up early.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we're going to start heading towards the boat. Done. This is a pretty cool little island to explore. Would definitely recommend coming.
Yeah, we've been here about 4 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get 5 hours on the island and enough to walk around it and see everything.
See
It's
the
really
puffins.
good. See the cute puffins.
They're so cute.
And saw a seal as well, lots of other birds, owls as well. We didn't get that on camera because they were really far away and they're just little tiny things.
But they were cute.
Yeah,
The puffins are the cutest.
they were.
So we're back at the van. It's a little bit of a mess. I think I might have got sunburn, and we're just about to drive off. We're going to head towards a beach and go to a pub for some food. We are pretty hungry for a nice meal. So we stopped at a pub, but the atmosphere was really weird and the service was awful. And the menu didn't look very good.
Yeah.
So we had a drink.
No
So we had a drink and we've kept driving to St. David's, which is cool because this is a little town we wanted to go to anyway. So we're gonna have a walk around here and try to find something yummy to eat. We saw a sign that said fish and chips and came down this alleyway and it's got a line, so should mean it's good. This is really funny, but the sound of seagulls and the smell of the salt make some more fish and chips.
Yeah.
I don't want to see Gus to steal them though.
No.
I don't want to eat them. This looks so good. Chips are like super brown.
This is exactly what we wanted for dinner. I got a piece of chicken, a piece of cod, and chips. Hannah's just don't eat the chips because she's vegetarian. She nearly had a vegetarian burger, but she decided she just wanted chips.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.